Hey, what up YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video on how I got my bank 1 sensor 1 upstream O2 sensor off my 2002 SLT Dodge Dakota 3.9. Anyways, I watched some videos and they talked about just open in box wrench on getting them off the top from the bottom. No, none of my wrenches were for that size, 7/8 and 22 millimeter. Neither one of them were short enough to even pop it off. And if you're like mine, it was seized on there, and I had the PB blaster for like 3 days in a row. And I still tried those wrenches, and I couldn't get a right angle, or I couldn't get the just leverage to pop it off. Even tried multiple different things, but I ended up hopefully this makes it easier for you. I had to go get these things, and so I got I'd say 3-inch, 3.5, came from AutoZone, 22 millimeter, but I got a 1/2-inch drive, and I only have 3/8 extensions and ratchets. So I have a 1/2-inch ratchet, but it just was way too big to do anything without an extension. So I couldn't find one with 3/8 this size. They were shorter and they don't work. So I bought this adapter that goes from 1/2-inch down to 3/8, which, to get the right angle, that might work, but I just happen to have one of these swivel adapters, 3/8. So I pop that on there, and then I pop that on. But before I slid them on, I had to slide the extension down here on this side of the truck. I slide it down here, reach down, put this on the oxygen sensor itself, which was like right here, and then attach the bars to the swivel and make sure it's on there good. And then I took my jack's handle, put it on there as a braking bar, and finally broke it free. That thing was seized on there. As you can see how bad it is. Like, you can see I stripped it trying to get it out with a bunch of different things, but that's what ultimately got it out. So I just wanted to hopefully help somebody else. I know my explaining is probably not the best, but if it makes it easier, because nobody did it this way for me, I had to figure it out. So hope that helped you guys. Have a good one. Later.